You need an ounce for each margarita.
And what is this drink again?
This is the world famous Milagro Blood Orange Margarita.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Calls for fresh lime juice. That's why we're using these limes, squeezing the juice right out of them. See, that's a nice juicy one there.
That's a totally vegan drink.
There we go. No animals were sacrificed in the making of these margaritas. So we're doing enough for 4 margaritas here. Lime number 4. You need an ounce for each margarita.
Agave.
Is there a top on this one?
Solano Blood Orange Liqueur.
Yep.
Milagro, which is 100%
Silver tequila.
silver tequila.
We now have our 4 ounces of lime juice. And now we need an additional 3 ounces of agave nectar, organic.
I think it's hot out there, Donna.
We need 3 ounces of Solano Blood Orange Liqueur, you know, the secret ingredient. This is the real McCoy. Alright, so it's Kentucky Derby Day, and since we don't like the flavor of mint juleps, we're making margaritas instead. It is Cinco de Mayo, though, too.
That's right, it's Cinco de Mayo.
Alright,
No, it's Cinco de Kentucky.
Cinco de Kentucky.
so we need 1.5 ounces times 4, 6 ounces of frozen, semi-frozen Milagro silver tequila. So we've now put all the ingredients in here, and we are ready to pour after we get back from the store.
Okay, that sounds
Wait.
good.
That's cool. It's popular today. Tons of people down there. Out of the blood orange. Stir this.
Then we can do a toast.
All right.
Okay, beautiful.
For you, her boot.
This is mine. This is Greg's.
Cheers.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.